Hi. In this video, I will show you how to buy Saitama and altcoin on the Trust wallet. So the process is pretty simple. So first of all, you have to open your Trust wallet mobile application, and you need a balance of Ethereum in your Trust wallet so you can purchase it from here. Or you can simply purchase on some exchange like Binance and then transfer to your Trust wallet. And once you will transfer it to your Trust wallet and go back and open your browser. And you have to search for the Saitama Inu token, and you will see here CoinMarketCap. Tap on it. Now scroll up and here you will see our contract address. Simply you have to tap copy it, and once you will copy it from here. Now go back and open your Trust wallet, and you have to click on the right top and paste the address, and you will see sit down. My info is here. Tap on it. Now you have to convert your Ethereum to the Zeta Star by clicking on the dApps, and now you have to search for the Uniswap. So here is Uniswap. Now you will see Ethereum and then select token from here. Paste the same contract address. Here, you have a copy from the Google, and you will see its import. Click on the import, and now you can enter the amount to convert your Ethereum to Star. So in this way, you can purchase Stigma on your Trust wallet. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.